We're singing.
We're way cooler than they are.
Singing Fleetwood Mac. We're that cool.
No, dude. Okay, the cops came to my house one time and they're like, okay, they busted me and one of like my gay friends, and they're all like, okay, we understand that you're sitting there jamming to Elton John and Fleetwood Mac, but you got to turn the shit down. My neighbors called me in for jamming Fleetwood Mac and Elton John. Like, what? That's when you know you're getting old. Are you recording me?
Yeah.